welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing super amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. So today is all about the Adapt range. The Adapt range is a 5-piece capsule collection that was released in 3 colorways last year. Today we've got the first look into 3 brand new colors. So this range is made up of the crop, the tank, the t-shirt, shorts, leggings, and a jacket. So we're gonna have a look at every single piece here. Before we get into the video, I do want to let you guys know that I have a discount code and a discount link, which I will be leaving in the description down below. But the discount code is JessieB if you want to be saving 10% off everything site-wide. As always, I will also be leaving all the items that I've mentioned in the description down below as well for you to check out, along with all my measurements. And I know some of you guys will ask, but the set that I'm currently wearing now is also from Do You Even, and it's called the Hyperflex Seamless range. Alrighty, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So we do have the entire Adapt collection here with me today, and what I'm going to do is run through all the features, and we're going to be trying them on as well. So I'm going to start off with the khaki green. Okay, so what we have here is the Adapt Sports Crop and the Adapt Leggings. The sports crop we got in a size extra small, and this is so buttery soft. So all of these are made from a buttery soft blended spandex and nylon mix, which is the exact same material as the Stretch Light collection. These are lightweight, breathable, and flexible with the 4-way stretch. You've got the elastic waistband with the logo around it, and also removable padding. You can actually remove the straps and wear it 3 different ways. You can wear it as a halter, straight neck, or a cross back. It's super customizable, and the straps are also adjustable as well. So I'll show you guys how it can be worn 3 different ways in a bit. These are the Adapt leggings, exact same material, buttery soft. It's high-waisted, full length, stretchy, flexible, lightweight, and quick drying. And it's got the fold over double waistband and the logo around the top, the side of the leg, and on the hip as well. The crop top is super flattering with the V neckline. The waist fits perfectly and it gives me so much support. The perfect crop length, it's comfortable, and currently I'm wearing it as a cross back, and then you can change it to a halter and also a straight back. So as you can see, this top is super customizable 3 ways, and you can change it to whatever mood, whatever workout you're doing. As for the leggings, fits perfectly around the waist as always. It's full length, but it's the perfect length on me. Material is just so soft and comfy. The waistband lays flat on your body. It's just super lightweight, breathable, and just really flattering. Honestly, this material is just so comfortable. Definitely one of my new favorites. Okay, so next up, I'm going to be showing you guys the crop tank and the bike shorts. The tank we also got in a size extra small. Exact same material. It's got the thin racer back detail, high neck, and it's cropped. Removable cups, branded waistband, and a logo on the top as well. And there's also an elastic on the back of the waistband so it fits nice and snug. And I'm absolutely loving this blue color and the contrasting yellow. The bike shorts, pretty much same as the leggings. These are in a size extra small, in the same buttery soft material, fold over double waistband. High-waisted, super soft, really elastic, lightweight, and quick drying. These are bike short length, so it's a little bit longer than some of the other shorts. And you've also got the logo on the hip, around the top, and along the sides as well. I am seriously just loving the color of this set. The top is just so comfortable with the extra coverage, the high neckline, the cut, the shape of it. I can definitely see myself wearing this out of the gym and on walks. I think it's just such a comfy fit. I think because I am quite short and I'm wearing high-waisted pants, the top doesn't look that cropped on me anymore. There's no gap in between the top and the pants, but it's still super duper cute, and I'm literally absolutely obsessed with the touch and the feel of this. To the bike shorts, these fit perfectly just like the leggings. The high waistband lays flat on your body, it's super flattering, and honestly it's just so smooth. I do love the length as well, you don't have to worry about it riding up. I think it's just a really cute set. Next up is the Adapt running jacket. This is in the colour Smoky Purple in the size extra small. It's long sleeve with a thumb hole, so you can put your thumb through it. It's got the full zipper down the middle with a zipper head to cover the zipper. Jacket is full length, 2 hidden zip pockets on the side. It's got inner slip pockets as well, and this is super convenient. The inner pocket has holes for you to slip your headphones through. It's got branding along the arms and down the back of the spine, and a little logo on the chest. Loving the contrast of the pink and the purple, and again with the same buttery soft material, stretchy, lightweight and breathable. Such a cute colour. It's just the length for me to put my thumb through. This is so thoughtful because when it does get colder I do like to slip my hands into my sleeves, and then there's a little thumb hole. The length is definitely a full length. It's a fitted jacket, so it's perfect for your workouts, when you're going for a walk, even on hikes. I think it's super functional as well with all the pockets that you have. So 2 pockets on the outside, you can slide your hands in, and then 2 inner pockets where you can put your phone and slip your cables through the holes. Definitely a super technical, functional jacket. And when you do zip it all the way up, the zipper stop at the top stops it from hitting your neck. And our final item in the Adapt range is the crop tee. This is also in a size extra small in the colour Grey Mull. So the material of this is quite different. It's made of cotton and elastane blend, so it's flexible and breathable. Cropped length obviously, and then you've got the crossback detail on the back, branded logo across the chest, and a little tag logo on the side. This is actually quite stretchy as well. T-shirt, absolutely love it. It's such a versatile colour as well. You can just chuck it on top of any sports crop. It's the perfect fitting, the round neckline, the sleeves, the cropped length. My favourite part is the cross layover on the back. Takes you from activewear to athleisure to casual. You can wear this pretty much everywhere. So the Adapt range launches 29th of March 2021 at 12 PM AEDT, so it may or may not have launched depending on when you're watching this. But remember to use my discount code or discount link that I will leave in the description for all your purchases from Do Even to save yourself a bit of money. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, connect with me in the comment section down below, like, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Follow me on Insta if you want to see daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now.